Okay, so you've used our graph to tell me that I should buy cookies and ice cream for our 2 desserts for a party. Why did you say that?
Because there's 4 and 6. These are the most, and so is pie. So why don't we buy pie, ice cream, and maybe cookies?
But we can only buy 2. So what 2 are you going to pick? So you need to come up. And why did you pick? Why did you pick ice cream?
Because ice cream is all the way up here, and it's the tallest, and it's in the 6th group.
So what does that make it then? If it's the tallest, it's in the 6th group. It makes it
the most likely.
Not most likely. It's the most.
Greatest.
It's the greatest or the most
Favorite.
popular. It's our favorite. So we know we're going to buy ice cream. And then you chose cookies. And why did you choose cookies?
Because cookies at 4, and it's in the 4th group.
Okay. So we have our cookies and we have our ice cream. And you said you might pick someone else. Why could you say maybe we pick pie? Why is it a tough choice between... So I'm going to ask someone else. Why is it a tough choice between pies and cookies? Yes, buddy?
Because they're the same.
They're the same. So maybe we flip a coin and say, which one are we going to pick? Cookies or pie? Okay. So what 2 pizzas should we order?
Cheese.
Cheese.
And meat lovers.
Why should we order that? Why should we order those 2 pizzas?
They're the biggest number.
So they're the what? The 2
Great numbers.
2 most popular numbers? Okay. Now the other question says if we had all the pizzas, which one would have the most left over? So if we had all the kinds of pizza, which one would have the most left over?
Deluxe and pepperoni.
Why do you think that? What does have the most left over mean?
It means
If you have pizza left, pardon me?
nobody's gonna eat it.
Nobody's gonna eat it. So you think that pepperoni and deluxe are gonna be the ones that no one eats? If we look at our graph, is there something... What do you think, which one pizza will have the most left over?
Deluxe.
Deluxe? How many people wanted to eat deluxe pizza?
1.
1. So let's look at the other ones. How many people wanted to eat pepperoni?
4.
How many people wanted to eat cheese? How many?
8.
How many people want to eat veggie? Sorry? 0. How many people want to eat meat lovers? 5. So you still think that the most left over would be deluxe?
No.
What?
I think it's gonna be pepperoni.
If I look at the graph, remember the leftover you said is the one that aren't going to eat the most. So
It's deluxe.
is that the information that graph tells us? Deluxe is close, but is there one that maybe someone didn't like as much?
Oh, veggie.
Veggie. Why veggie?
Because veggie has no numbers.
Yeah, so no one wanted to eat veggie. So do you think anyone would eat the veggie pizza at the party? Yeah. So what two pizzas are we going to order for our party?
Cheese pizza and meat lover pizza.
Well, how do you know that?
Because veggie is 0 and pepperoni are only 4 and only meat lovers and cheese pizza are the ones. And the other are
So those are the 2 most popular. Okay. Now, the second question says if we had all the pizzas. So let's pretend we bought all the pizzas. What pizza would have the most left over?
cheese.
You think, what does having the most left over mean?
Meat.
But I'm saying we bought all 5 kinds of pizza. So we bought our cheese, we bought our meat lovers, we bought our pepperoni, we bought our veggie, and we bought our deluxe. What does it mean when you have something left over?
Do you like veggies?
What does it mean when you have something left over?
It means.
Did people eat a lot of it, or did people not eat a lot of it?
Not a lot.
Not a lot of it. So if we look at our graph, what pizza do people not want to eat a lot of?
Veggies.
Why?
It's because because nobody likes sometimes nobody likes veggies.
Yeah, our graph, our survey said, and our graph said no one likes veggies, so you're right, veggie is going to have the most left over because no one's going to want to eat it because they don't like it.
Yeah, so we're not going to buy veggies.
Yeah. So, good job, guys.